So this is the first microwave that I get from this brand, and you can tell it has all of this included. So I open it and it's damaged, but what catch my attention was everything here is steel, where you don't have to worry about the you know, when some of the paint starts chipping off on some microwaves, you know. And I thought it was from a bad experience. Another one cost like double the price that I paid for this one. This one I got for like $99. So I was all like, maybe if I buy this one, since it doesn't have paint, it just, everything's just like, I want to say metal steel. I thought it was gonna be a good deal. I wanted to try it, but I don't know about so much of the air fryer, because the one that I used to have, it was a actual oven / microwave, and this one is supposedly you can roast bacon and roast ham. So I was wanting to check that out. Now I gotta take it back because, yeah, this is crazy because I'm, you know, I just moving over here. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know this is how people do their, you know, whatever they do. And I just did this, and look at this. I didn't even put no effort in this. I just noticed that as soon as I opened the box, that's what, you know, that's where the damage is at. So I got, good thing I got the warranty for this